Since 1946, the Blue Angels have had the unique privilege of demonstrating to the American public the precision techniques of naval aviation, inspiring a culture of excellence and service to country. Ladies and gentlemen, flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo from Chantilly, Virginia, Major Scott Locks. Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo from Freeport, Maine, Lieutenant Commander Connor O'Donnell. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from Beaufort, South Carolina, Lieutenant Colonel Brandon Wilkins.
He'll slide in the bottom. You'll watch as the wind take off this way.
Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman from Geneva, Illinois, Lieutenant Chris Hubin.
Into the middle.
Flying Blue Angel number 2, the right wingman from Thousand Oaks, California, Lieutenant Cam Schneider. Flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels from Canton, Connecticut, Captain Adam Bryan. As the crew chiefs assist the pilots into their jets, you're witnessing the teamwork found in all Navy and Marine Corps units. The Blue Angels take a great deal of pride.
Here, Curtis, back taxi runway 18, Yankee, Alpha, back taxi runway 6 left, not away, runway 6 left.
Thanks, Bo. Clear to line up, runway 6 left.
Pilots 1 through 4 flying the diamond formation, showcasing the precision flying required of all Navy and Marine Corps pilots, while pilots 5 and 6 fly as solos, demonstrating the maximum performance capability of the aircraft. Once again, I'm Lieutenant Ronnie Hafeza from Redondo Beach, California, Blue Angel number 7, the narrator for the flight demonstration, as well as the pilot for the key influencer and media personnel we normally fly at each show site. Blue Angel number 8, Commander Lily Montana from Vienna, Virginia, is the Squadron Naval Flight Officer and Events Coordinator. Commander Chris Meek from Fort Worth, Texas, serves as the squadron's Executive Officer. Our Marine Corps C-130 pilots are Captain Isaac Becker from Austin, Texas, Lieutenant Colonel Josh Horman from Kansas City, Missouri, and Captain Olivia Baer from Findlay, Ohio. Lieutenant Commander Natalia Lucetti, our maintenance officer from Mayaguez, Puerto Rico, is responsible for the men, women, and equipment that keep our aircraft flying. From Olongapo City, Philippines, our assistant maintenance officer is Chief Warrant Officer 3, Jula Medahera. From Jackson Center, Ohio, the Blue Angel Flight Surgeon is Captain Jen Murr. From Fredericksburg, Virginia, our supply officer is Lieutenant Garrett Weidel. And from Beaufort, South Carolina, our public affairs officer is Captain Danielle Critt. Our Boeing technical representatives are Mr. Jack Ralph from Fort Worth, Texas, Mr. Todd Lawson from Tigard, Oregon, and Mr. Landy Hornersfager from Nantucket, Massachusetts. Our financial management analyst is Miss Amanda Willenberg from Warrenton, Virginia, and our squadron administration representative is Mr. Aries Wilkins from Columbia, South Carolina.
Updated winds are 230 at 13. We on the airfield and the airspace. You are clear for takeoff. Have a good one.
Thanks, Bo. Solos, we are clear for takeoff.
Solos, ready to rock the Buckeyes, Dave, boss.
Boss, we're going to take off. The winds are 230 at 13. That's a headwind. Check your parking mic off. Check your trim set. Check off behavior. Diameter loop. Left turn out.
Compass, back up while the diamond clears on 9. Let's get some.
Now to the right, Captain Brian calls smoke on. Off brakes now. Burners ready now. And the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you will notice the smoke is no longer visible while the engines are inactivated. While Blue Angel number 6 performs a precise low transition and pitches up at 6 times the force of gravity. opposing knife edge pass.
It don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center. It's no different. Because I'm bigger, better. Solo single, selling several shows at every single. Like a big storm's coming, run like a wild Mustang.
showcasing the Super Hornet's turbo nose low capability.
If it's alright, I wanna kick it with you all night.
Having rolled their aircraft 270 degrees and crossed with minimum separation, watch as both pilots sustain 6 times the force of gravity to cross their aircraft over show center.
Don't be shy, don't be shy, don't be shy, baby. All night and all night, ain't gotta go.
Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing horizontal rolls.
Muchas novias, hoy tengo a una, mañana.
You have seen firsthand the ability of a tactical aircraft of
till it's burned out, turn it till it's turned out. Act up from northwest, east side. Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Let's get it started in here.
from behind the crowd. Pull up the uniform and swiftly shift back into the Blue Angel Diamond. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel protocol break.
Just from above.
Ladies and gentlemen, the section high off the pass.
But I can't help the fact that everyone can see these scars. I want you to want, I want you to feel, but it's like no matter what I do, I can't convince you to just believe this is real. So let go, watching you turn your back like you always do. Face away and pretend that I'm not, but I'll be here cause you're all that I got. I can't face the way I did before. Don't turn your back on me, I won't be ignored. Time won't take this damage anymore. Don't turn your back on me, I won't be ignored.
So when we found something so out of the ordinary, you got me kissing your ground. Are you sanctuary? Shadow me with your touch. Oh, return me to
To place them directly over show center. Now watch closely as Captain Brian calls smoke on. Ready, break! Converge on CenterPoint and cross with a combined closure rate of over 1,000 miles per hour.
Whatever you wanna do, down for whatever as long as it's you. Nothing but time, we got nothing to lose. Down for whatever as long as it's you. When you're with me, we're right side of me. Yeah, yeah. Whatever you wanna do, down for whatever as long as I'm here with you.
me in bubble wrap. I'm scared you really mean it, that you're never coming back. See your bag right by the stairs, I guess you already packed. No, I can't change your mind, but how could you just leave like that? I'm not ready to let you go, so just give me one more night. Hold me like you're still mine. Oh, love me for right.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel Delta Breakout.
Somewhere else.
The demonstration pilots you have been watching perform here this afternoon are but a small part of the Blue Angels team. The men and women standing before you in blue uniforms are members of the elite Blue Angels maintenance crew. Through hard work, many long hours, and unselfish dedication, they have each year for the past 80 years provided us with the aircraft availability necessary to perform each of these flight demonstrations. As the aircraft taxi back, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce to you the 2026 Blue Angels maintenance crew.
Oceana in Virginia Beach.
Command Master Chief Matthew Dawson from Racine, Wisconsin. Maintenance Master Chief Sarah Kitty from Moultrie, Georgia. Maintenance Chief Dana Foley from Sutherland, Oregon. Paul Helm from Granbury, Texas. Crew Coordinator Tony Munoz from Tampa, Florida. Crew Chief Number 1 Kirk Coco from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. First Mech Paint Shop Adrian Russell from Peoria, Arizona. Crew Chief Number 2 Faith Wooten from Warner Robins, Georgia. Crew Chief Number 3 Olivia Rao from Bixby, Oklahoma. First Mech Life Support Jasper Enriquez from Dayton, Guam. Crew Chief Number 4 Noah Makowicz from Carroll Stream, Illinois. First Mech Airframes Austin Kastner from Brookfield, Connecticut. Crew Chief Number 5 Courtney Thompson from Ravenna, Michigan. First Mech Power Plants Avery Collins from Morristown, Tennessee. Crew Chief Number 6 Aaron Gutierrez from Goodyear, Arizona. First Mech Power Plants Thomas Still from Pensacola, Florida. Crew Chief Number 7 Chris Parr from Louisville, Kentucky. Runway Truck Alert Crew name.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back, man? I see the girls in the club, they're getting wild for me. And all the pretty chicks all wanna smile at me. These rap cats, man, they all got this style for me. And if I ever see them, man, they probably...
Taxing just off to your right, the Blue Angels will momentarily be turning into the parking area. After completing a short maintenance debrief, the team will come to the crowd line where you will have an opportunity to meet them. As they step away from their aircraft, I would like to take one final opportunity to introduce to you the demonstration pilots you have been watching perform here this afternoon.